Hi, Dan here from Bubble & Suds Window Cleaning in South Wales. Today I'm just going to show you the water-fed pole trolley that I use. So it's a 35 litre trolley from the window cleaning warehouse. Here shows you how much power is in the battery. You've got 5 different speeds. Here's your charging port and your on and off switch, and a really good connection there coming away from the trolley. The lid, absolutely fantastic. It's got a good handle on it for gripping, and the tyres, wow, really good. There's nothing I haven't been able to pull the trolley over. I've added a switch here myself as well, so I can turn it off and add more hose if I need to. And I've also added another switch here which I hold in my hand so I can control the flow. I wouldn't recommend lifting the trolley in and out when it's full, because 35 litres is very heavy. But what I tend to do is take the trolley out with only a small amount of water in, and then I'll fill it up depending on how many jobs I've got, so that then by the time I get back to the car with the trolley, it's practically empty again.